Welcome to Skillz. Learn creative skills to achieve your personal and professional goals. Click on link in description below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. You need to watch this if you struggle with getting that perfect shot on your iPhone. Meet Dale McManus, your guide to mastering iPhone photography on Skillshare. Whether you're snapping your daily coffee or capturing the sunset, this course has you covered. From diving into your iPhone's camera settings to mastering exposure and focus, Dale breaks it all down in simple steps. Imagine using the rule of thirds like a pro, or framing the perfect shot using natural lines. How about mastering lighting during the golden hour, or even at night? Yes, you can do all of this just with your iPhone. And it doesn't stop there. Dale also walks you through creative photography tips and crucial post-processing techniques using apps like Adobe Lightroom. Suddenly, every photo you take has the potential to wow. So why wait? Unlock the full potential of your iPhone's camera. Elevate your photos from good to breathtaking. Join thousands of learners on Skillshare and start capturing the world like never before. Enroll today and transform the way you see and share your world.